Hey guys! Today I am going to share some general beauty tips that you may find helpful, so let's start the video. Skincare routine. Establish a daily skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Use products suitable for your skin type and consider incorporating sunscreen during the day to protect against harmful UV rays. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Staying hydrated helps maintain the elasticity and suppleness of your skin. Healthy diet. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote healthy skin and hair. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sufficient sleep helps rejuvenate your skin, reduce puffiness, and minimize dark circles. Sun protection. Protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by wearing sunscreen with a high SPF, covering exposed areas with clothing, and using hats or sunglasses. Gentle cleansing. Be gentle when cleansing your face to avoid stripping away natural oils or irritating your skin. Use a mild cleanser and avoid excessive scrubbing or harsh exfoliation. Moisturize. Moisturize your skin regularly to keep it hydrated and supple. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, and apply it after cleansing to lock in moisture. Proper makeup removal. Always remove your makeup before going to bed to allow your skin to breathe and regenerate overnight. Use a gentle makeup remover or a cleansing oil to effectively remove all traces of makeup. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to promote blood circulation and a healthy complexion. Exercise can also help reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Confidence and self-care. Remember that true beauty comes from within. Cultivate self-confidence, practice self-care, and engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so it's essential to tailor your beauty routine to your individual needs. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video useful, then tell us in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel.